Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. It's raining outside because I live in Ireland and I can't film. So we're here today and I found some interesting facts about Ireland that some of you maybe don't know. I have my notes here. So let's go. Number 1. Did you know the James Bond itself, Pierce Brosnan, the lover boy, was he was born, not built. He was born in Ireland. Same as Colin Farrell, but he's not James Bond, so who gives a shit. Number 2. Whiskey, as we all know, very popular drink here. The first written mention of whiskey was from Ireland, from 1405. So, why not? Number 3. The Titanic was built in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Same island, different country, but still Ireland, so I'm good with it. Number 4. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it. Halloween has its origins from Ireland, actually, from a pagan festival called Samhain, or something like that, that took place in Ireland at the end of every summer. And that's how Halloween got to be. Number 5. Is it 5? I think it is. There's no snakes in Ireland. That's actually true. There's no snakes at all in the wild on the whole island. And it's not because of St. Patrick, as the legend says. He drove them away. He didn't. He drove away people, not snakes. But yeah, fun fact. And to continue on the subject of St. Patrick, he wasn't Irish. He was actually a Brit who was kidnapped by Irish pirates and then forced to work as a sheep herder for 6 years before he came back to Britain and became a priest. And then after that he came back here to change the people, change their minds, to lead them to the path of God and religion. And one more interesting fact about him, well, not him, but the green color, who is related with Ireland and St. Patrick, it wasn't originally, let's say. The historians agree that the original color representing St. Patrick was actually light blue, and it switched to England in, I'll tell you now, 1798 during the Irish Rebellion, when the clover became a symbol of Irish nationalists. Then they switched to green, because why not? Number 7. Ireland is the only country in the world to have a musical instrument as a symbol. It's a harp, and actually some of the oldest harps in the world can be seen in Trinity College in Dublin. And to continue with musical facts, Ireland is a country that won the Eurovision Song Contest 7 times, and that's more than any other country in the world. Who knew? 9. Cliffs of Moher, that are actually really close to Galway, where I live, the famous tourist attraction, can be seen in a small movie franchise called Harry Potter. You can see it in Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince movie. And to finish this off, we need to mention Guinness. And fun fact about Guinness is that Nigerians from a country of Nigeria drink more Guinness every year than the Irish do, same as the Brits. Britain actually consumes most of the Guinness yearly, and then Nigeria is on the 2nd place, and then Irish people are on the 3rd place. You need to step it up a bit. And that would be it for me for today, because I can't go out, I can't film, I can't fly my drone. So if you like this, press the thingy here. If you didn't, click the other button, the dislike button, and I'll see you in the next one. That's it.